Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of augmented reality and artificial intelligence with a groundbreaking project, recipe generation using augmented reality and AI. Watch as the AI instantly identifies each vegetable and suggests delicious recipes tailored to what you have on hand. No more guessing or wasting food. Just smart, efficient meal planning. Feature 1, Smart Vegetable Scanning. Imagine opening your fridge, not knowing what to cook. Our project has you covered. Simply scan your available vegetables using our system, powered by the YOLO V8 algorithm for precise object detection. Feature 2, Real-time AR overlays. But that's not all. Our second feature takes the experience to the next level. The dish name and vegetable names will appear as augmented reality overlays in real time, making cooking not only easier, but also more interactive and fun. Tech behind the magic. This innovative project is built using Flask and Python for seamless web integration. We leverage YOLO V8 for accurate object detection and utilize Cosign's similarity transforms to suggest the best recipes based on your ingredients. Stay tuned as we explore the technology, walk through a live demo, and show you how to transform your cooking experience with AR and AI. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech innovations. Once you open the web app, you will get options to log in and register. Using Forgot Password option, you can easily retrieve your password. On homepage, you will get overview of project, which includes technologies and datasets used in project and other important information, such as problem statement, introduction, proposed solution, and conclusion. On dashboard page, you will get information about various performance metrics, such as precision, recall, F1 score, accuracy, loss, and confusion matrix. By clicking on Scan Vegetables button, you can scan vegetables using phone's real-time camera. After that, system will detect the vegetables using YOLO object detection algorithm and will automatically suggest recipe for available vegetables using artificial intelligence. You can also use physical vegetables to scan the vegetables. Feature 2, Real-time AR overlays. But that's not all. Our second feature takes the experience to the next level. The dish name and vegetable names will appear as augmented reality overlays in real time, making cooking not only easier, but also more interactive and fun.